Hello everybody, my name is Juan Pablo Acuña Gomez, student of industrial engineer at the University Unit CAD. Today I'm going to show you the presentation of my Billboard Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. The IP negotiator between Compañía Software de Colombia, licensor, and Final Colombia licensed its alliance for the copyright of the medical valuation software. This software is created by the licensor under the terms established in the agreement. Okay, I'm going to talk about the valuation method to establish the price. That was the market method. The approach of calculating royalty was used. According to this method, for this case, the company calculated royalty rate is equivalent to 50% of the product income. Science removed this rate to be 500,000 millions must be received 75,000 millions. Okay. To purchase the copyright, the value is set at 24,000 millions per year. And now, what are the general conditions of this negotiation? This is a non-exclusive license. In this agreement, the licensor grants to the license the non-exclusive license. What are the improvements? The updates will be quarterly. These are defined in the work program. Whenever the licensing company enrolls, this will be verified and corrected by the licensor. And this licensing company must offer training in the use of all software. Okay, that is my presentation. I hope you will do well. Thank you very much.